Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and my name is Lady D. I hope that you will enjoy the ideas that I am about to share with you. Now, I've been working on a baby room for this beautiful baby girl. Now, I am using my American Doll classroom, which I bought from a neighbor for $40 last year, and it's actually for my granddaughter. My granddaughter hasn't seen it yet. But anyway, I am going to be converting this classroom into a baby room. The flooring is going to stay as is because I like it for a baby. Now, the whole point of this video is the rail that I added to the crib. This is a bone-shaped bowl for dog treats, and I added these straws as a rail. Now I'm going to show you the other side so that you can see. But remember, this is temporary. I will dismantle the entire creation eventually after a few videos. So this is not anything permanent, and that's why I had to do it this way. So what I did was I taped all the straws on this side. I did have to cut them because the straws were pretty long. Then I took some straws, 2 of them, and I placed them right across these 2 that you see here. These. And what I am using to hold everything up is this wax, mini hold wax. So that's the only thing that's holding these up. The rest are being held by tape. You see what I'm saying? But look, I'm moving it all around and it doesn't come apart. See what I'm saying? So I think that was pretty good. So then besides that, I'm going to be using this paper. This is a roll that I found. I think it was at one of my thrift store hunts. I think it was my favorite thrift store where I got this. And look how beautiful for a baby room. Whoever had this, I don't think used it because it's intact. I can tell by the line there, and it's a straight cut. So they never used it. It's a whole roll. Look at that. For a baby room. So I want you to stay tuned. The point of the video was the rail and the decorative paper that I'm using. Other than that, I will bring you back to this creation as soon as I have more progress going on, and I hope that you have enjoyed this idea, and thank you so much for watching.